Now it's time to go in with my hands, guys. So I'm making slime. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back and I'm making slime, but I don't think it's slime. It's like this gooey mess of slime version. I think I should add some lotion because I heard that lotion does really good something to the slime to make it not sticky. I heard that from my slime teacher. Slime teacher, I'm not really doing a good job. Can you help me? It's really sticky. No, I will not help you. I will do I'm trying. I'm trying to help you. Just keep messing it up. But slime teacher, I'm trying to make the best slime in the world, which is confetti slime, but you're not helping. Well, if you want to make slime, I don't know what to tell you because I'm not a real slime teacher. Wait, what? What do you mean you're not a real slime teacher? All those years, I thought you were supposed to be teaching me how to make slime. Well, as you see, I teach fake people. I teach people how to make fake slime. What? So you're telling me that you're teaching me right now, this in my hand, is fake slime? Well, yes, that's so. Wait, what's fake slime again? Fake slime? Well, I don't really know what fake slime is, but that's what people call it. So we're just gonna call it fake slime school. Okay. Well, since you're a fake slime teacher, is this right? Am I supposed to need it? Well, yes, I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Also, I am your real teacher. I'm just playing. But yeah, this is fake slime school. So, I made that. Let's see if it can make a bubble. Let's see if it can make a bubble now. Okay, I'll make a bubble. While I'm trying, eating out the dough. Just like in pizza, what they do. Well, okay, let's fix this and voila. It's a great bubble, wasn't it? Well, I didn't see the bubble, so I'll try again. You didn't see the bubble? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna do it again. Better watch this time. I stretch it to the corners. I take these, voila, made a bubble. Wow, that was amazing. Can you teach me how to make slime? No, you're the slime teacher. You're supposed to be teaching me how to make slime. Sorry. Wow. Isn't she right? I am the slime teacher. I'm supposed to be teaching slime. How to make slime. I think anyone knows how to make slime. Well, let's see what you got, kid. Since this is fake slime school, you're not really supposed to be making real slime. Oh, I'm not. I'm just making some pretend goo slime. Okay. Oh, goo plus confetti. Okay, let's see what you got. Okay, right now I'm kneading it. So you put the glue in the bowl. Then you add any type of activator. Then you knead it together with a spoon or a popsicle stick. Then you take it out while it's still not ready. Then you knead it with your hands. That's what you see. I see you are kneading it with your hands. Right now, then you take your slime and you mix it with the slime that you already made just a while ago. See? And then you're kneading it out so it won't be as sticky. There you go. Let's continue making this slime, whatever you call this mess. Let's continue making this slime. then you will. I don't know if I have the right consistency. Slime teacher, can you pass me the slime? That makes me nervous. Yeah, I can pass you whatever you want, since you are the teacher. Thank you. I'm the teacher for today's slime school. Well, what you're supposed to do right now is mix the slime together. While you're mixing, then just gotta keep kneading it until it's not sticky anymore, and you can make bubbles out of it. And you know if it's ready because it'll make sounds like this. And you can make bubbles and everything. Oh, there's some pretty neat confetti slime. Mind if I turn it to color? No, I don't mind, but please don't. Bubble, bubble, cauldron trouble. I'm gonna make this slime. The color? Kids, what color should I make it? Green, red, purple, or orange? Green! Alright, let's add green. You only want to add 2 drops because it will make your slime miserable. You want to be careful not to get any of the dye on your hands, which I'm saying that right now, but I'm getting dye all over my hands. And also, this dye is permanent. Anyway, let's keep going. Wow, it turned to great like booger slime. Achoo! Ew, it's so sticky. Ew. Ugh, this slime is... I gotta make it real slime. Okay, ready? Let's just pat it. Let's just make it. Oh, she had it like this, right? She folded it, folded that. She had it like into a little square. Now, get rid of all the evidence. What's this supposed to be? Also, guys, I'm gonna be uploading some gaming videos for y'all to watch, so y'all go watch my gaming channel. It's fun, it's exciting. I beat people in Roblox, and I may even make one. Shh, my mom didn't hear it. I may even make a slime, a YouTube channel. That's freaky. Well, here's my slime, guys. Forgot about the iron slime. Now let's just please add some more iron. Oop. Being dried out, you don't want your slime to get dried out. Oh, so let's try. Guys. Okay. That was total fail, so this was fail. Yeet that into the slime bucket of failure. Dun dun dun. Anyway, let's continue making this awesome slime. Let's scratch it. Well, guys. Well, Miss Cratchit, this is how you make slime. Do you love my beautiful... Wait. This is supposed to be white. Who added green to it? Guys, it's green. I wonder who... Miss Cratchit? Yes, dearie. Did you make my slime green? And what is this? Green food dye right next to my green stuff. I want a white slime. Now it's all green and looks like slime. But it's kind of cool. Besides this thought of snot, it looks like a mint green with confetti. Thanks, Mitch Cratchit. You're welcome, dearie. Let's see if I can try to make a bubble, Mitch Cratchit. Well, let's see if we can.